Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use your Affirm card with Cash App. If you've been wondering how to link it properly so you can spend through Cash App with no issues, stay tuned. This is a quick and super easy process you'll definitely want to follow step by step. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. That's where you access all your account settings. Scroll down until you see Account and Settings and tap on it. Inside that menu, look for Linked Banks and select it. This is where Cash App stores all your connected cards and bank accounts. Now tap Link Debit Card. A form will pop up where you'll need to enter your Affirm card details. Carefully type in the 16-digit card number from the front of your Affirm card, then enter the expiry date, first the month, then the year. Next, add the CVV number from the back of your card and the zip code linked to your billing address. Before hitting confirm, double-check everything. Even a small mistake can cause your card to fail linking. Once everything looks good, tap Link Card. Cash App will process the info, and if it's valid, your Affirm card will be successfully linked. From here, you can use your Affirm card like any other debit card inside Cash App. Send money, pay at stores, or even withdraw to your bank if needed. And that's it. Linking your Affirm card to Cash App only takes a minute when you know where to look. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick how-to guides, and check the description for more money tips and tricks. See you in the next video.